Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Us who do gardening face problems time to time. And sometimes us gardeners solve those problems by ourselves. And one of the major problems is lemon flower and fruit drop. If you watch the whole video without skipping, you would know its actual cause and how to prevent it. Citrus is an important fruit crop. Lemon is one of the important categories of citrus family. Fruit drop in lemon trees is a natural, physiological phenomenon that occurs in all citrus varieties. There are so many reasons why lemon plants drop their fruits or flowers. One of the more major problems is nutritional deficiencies. A lemon tree can sometimes tell you if it's not getting the right nutrients before a drop starts. If you don't know, lemon is a heavy feeder and time to time it needs micro and macronutrients. You must have known by now that everything that my mom does for the garden is always homemade and organic. As you can see, my mom has some dried banana peel and side by side she also has some eggshells. It will fill your plants magnesium, potassium, zinc and iron. So you can give this fertilizer monthly one time. Soil pH levels can also be an issue. The main common causes of lemons falling off a tree are drought, drastic temperature changes, insects. The other reasons might be pruning excess fruit. And the main reason is inappropriate watering. Do you have insects in your lemon plant? Then you don't have to worry. My mom has made many videos about how to make insecticides in our channel. So if you wish to know how to get rid of insects from a plant, you can easily watch those videos. As I told you, the most main reason for the lemons falling off the tree is the inappropriate watering. Uneven watering can cause lemons to fall off the tree as well as flowers. Trees require regular watering. They do not take well to drought and low humidity. Good water management is crucial to avoid excessive fruit drop and other lemon tree problems. As you can all see, my mom is doing pruning of the lemon plant. Do you know all citrus benefit from some pruning? Going overboard will manifest in falling fruit. Only prune lemon when there are dead branches and remove them from the area. Normally, at the end of the winter or at spring, it is the best time for pruning. It helps to grow new branches and it helps to bear a lot of fruits. The low percentage of flowers turning to fruit can be attributed to fruit drop during different stages of tree growth. The major environmental factors causing lemon fruit drop are temperature and water stress. Now, I hope as you all know the reasons of why fruits are dropping from our lemon trees, you might be able to prevent them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.